First, we'll be assembling the header portion, which includes 2 headboards up top, 2 headboards on the bottom, and 2 end rails on the back side. Now, it's important to not tighten your bolts all the way down. Just get them started at first, and then we'll show you what the next step is. Now we have the bolts in here, but not tightened 100%. And this is the step when you're going to need a speed square. What you want to do is put this on the top rail and make sure that the end rails or headboards and the posts are at a 90-degree angle. Once they are, you can go ahead and tighten the bolts down 100%. Now that the header portion is complete, you want to pick one of your long sides to start assembling that. I usually pick the one that's going against the wall. If you have a long side that's not going against the wall, then you can just choose either side to start assembling. This part will include 2 support rails and 2 safety rails. When installing rails, I like to start by installing the top rail and the bottom rail to make sure that these 2 posts are parallel with each other. When installing the support rails, make sure that the inside support rail, as you see right here, is on the bottom. Now that I've got one side done, I like to do the other long side and then finish with the short end. The last step is installing the slats on both bunks, the caps on the end, and the ladder, and you're all set. The caps come pre-drilled and are installed at the end of the bed, right here, to help with your first step and your last step up into the top bunk.